Weather with Shelbi Schauble.
Hello everyone, happy Thursday. We got some humidity outside, but with the triple-digit heat indices coming in and hot and dry conditions on the way, it'll be another scorcher across the 4 states. We got a gradual warming trend in store for us. Look at this beautiful view from our Wesco Home Furnishings tower cam. The sunshine outside. Tiffany and I got our yellow and pink on to blend in. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Fremantle First Alert Doppler showing we are nice and dry. The hot and dry weather will continue as we got some upper level bridging building in. But that cloud cover coming in from the north will start to circulate in a little bit this afternoon. We'll have some indices of that built in, but as a whole today will be nice and clear. We got a light and variable wind flow, which will help to ease all of the winds coming in, but that'll also help ease a little bit of that dryness. But a perfect day to go outside and enjoy the weather. This upper level ridging is expected to continue to build in over the next several days, and we do have a stationary front that is right amongst the area, so that will keep us with a pretty consistent forecast. We'll have that ridging keep us nice, hot, and dry. And with that light wind flow coming in, not a bad day. Go to the pool. Make sure you bring a hydrating source or a source to hydrate you when you're out there. Some water, maybe some Gatorade, electrolytes, sunscreen. A great day, though, to go enjoy the pool. High in Joplin should be close to 95 degrees. And with those triple-digit heat indices creeping back through, you know, it's going to be quite the scorcher. Like I said, the heat will definitely be our headline over the next several days. And we do see these heat advisories moving in from the south. Those will likely start to develop for us this weekend, and this is the stationary front that'll keep us with that consistent forecast. It'll more so shift further south. As it does, it'll really keep us nice and consistent, as I've been saying, but really that upper level ridging is going to keep us in those 90s, and a gradual warming trend really does set to start for today. We'll see that 95 for today, but 98 degrees by tomorrow. Speaking of Friday, look at that. And then we got those 90s continuing to push above that seasonal average. Quite the hot temperatures by our midweek mark next week. We'll be closer to that seasonal average, but for now, you just gotta keep your sunscreen on you, keep that water on you as well. And with all this dryness moving in, we're seeing these drought conditions build into the 4 states, really more so for some of our central areas and then off to our east a little bit. But that could expand really because we do not have any rain chances predicted for any time soon, really in the next week. We could see some early next week closer to the midweek mark, but all of this rain will be replaced with the heat. Even though we'll be along that seasonal average, we are used to seeing warmer temperatures for this time of year. So that is why, even though we will be in those mid-90s, it is going to be closer to that average for now. But Joplin around 95 degrees for our highs. Parsons 93, 90s for today. 97 in Branson. Wow, very hot out there. Maybe go to the water park if you do. Wear sunscreen. Triple-digit heat for some of the region. We got Miami feeling like 101, Veneta 102, and Branson 101 as well. But those temperatures will drop down into the 70s for this evening to make for some mild but warm, I'd say, overnight conditions. Light and variable wind flow will come through, but it will be a nice and calm evening for us. Here's your KSN forecast from your local weather authority. Today's high will be around 95 degrees. Hot and dry weather set to take over. We will see those temperatures drop today into the 70s. Mostly clear conditions and some mild overnight temperatures, but a nice calm wind flow. And the heat is what we will be focusing on moving into our weekend.
Stay hydrated.